In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva website link. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. Log into your account so you can access your designs. Once you're in, go to your projects area and open the website design you want to share. If you've already created and fine-tuned your site, this is where you'll find it. Take a quick moment to confirm everything looks the way you want, since what you publish is what your audience will see. Now, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This opens the sharing options for your design. From here, choose Publish as Website. This tells Canva to generate a live, viewable web page from your design, complete with its own unique web address. You don't need to set up hosting or deal with any code. Canva handles that part for you. Next, click Publish. Canva will prepare your site and, after a brief moment, it will display your website URL. This is the direct link to your live Canva website. Think of it like the front door to your site. Anyone with this address can visit it online. After the site is published, you'll see the link on screen. To make sharing easy, click Copy Link. This copies the URL to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. It's a good idea to open a new browser tab and paste the link to preview your site as a visitor would, just to confirm everything loads correctly. Now it's time to share. You can paste the link into a message or an email to send it directly to clients, teammates, or friends. If you're promoting it publicly, post the link on your social media profiles or in a caption. For offline use, add the URL to your business cards, social bios, or print ads so people can type it in quickly. If you manage other websites, you can embed the link there, and you can also generate a QR code that points to this URL, making it easy for people to scan and visit from their phone. That's it. Once your Canva website is published, anyone with the link can open it online. Keep the URL handy in your notes for quick access, and if you ever update your design in Canva and republish, the same link will reflect your latest changes. You're all set to share your Canva website with confidence.